What's up guys, in this video I will show you a very magical tool that will help you in making your business plans faster and more efficient. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Plannit AI's landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. Just a quick glance on their website. So they already have 2,400 entrepreneurs served. They also have 2,634 business plans that has been generated. And the average generation time, believe it or not guys, is less than 60 seconds with more than 50 industries. I will show you that now. So let me go ahead and show you the actual stuff. What we're going to generate is like, say for example, the plan is say driving range, golf driving range. So let's do that just for an example. So you guys can go ahead and check out this website. You know, if you have an idea on whatever you would like to create a business plan on, then you could do that. All right, so golf driving range, is it product-based? Is it service-based, software app, or hybrid? So service-based is what we're going to do. So let's close out on that one real quick. Start the questionnaire. Okay, so just click on that. Type edit suggestion. You can choose between these ones right here, or you could even type in whatever you like. Okay, so describe your main product or service dedicated for golfers to practice and improve their swing. That's the one I like. Okay. We offer personalized training programs and videos analysis. Okay, let's go ahead and check out on that one. We plan to offer corporate sponsorships opportunities and all. Okay, let's go ahead and choose that. And who is the primary audience for your product or services? Golf enthusiasts seeking modern and innovative way to improve their swing. All right, let's do that as well. Convenience and top-notch facilities. Let's choose that. How do you plan to market your product? We plan to leverage social media platforms. I like that. All right, and then click on finish. Just wait for it to generate the business plan. Just that quick, guys. Very intuitive. You can type, you can click, but it is related to whatever business you're planning to generate. So it's just initializing the business plan. And there you have it, guys. Okay, so this is for the financials. Okay, get your business plan. What's next? The financials is here. But you would need to go ahead and check that one out on your own as well. So guys, what has been generated with that less than 60 seconds of question and answer that we had? Executive summary, the overview, the customer problem, products and services, business model, target market, sales and marketing strategy, competitive advantage, the company overview, all right? So the problem statement and all of that, the business description, mission statement, business model. Additional features is there as well. Revenue model is also there. Market analysis. Okay, so demographic. You already have that there as well. Market size and segment. Believe it or not, guys, in less than 60 seconds, you were able to generate this much information, and you are all set to just quickly edit what you need to edit and then start in presenting to your investors, to your partners, or whoever is part of the business that you are trying to come up with. All right, so you also have unique value proposition, you have risk and mitigations or strategies. You also have the execution. All right, it just popped up the amount. Okay, so ready to save your business plan, one-time payment, unlimited access to your plan. So save your plan from being archived and then enable download as .docx. So this is $14.95. That is value, guys. It is value for your money. If that is not impressive, guys, then I don't know what is, but this definitely made my day when I tried this one out. It took only a little less than 60 seconds, and then you have all the information that you need, including the execution, the marketing plan, the sales plan is also there. All right, so this one's the marketing plan. All right, social media marketing, collaborations with local golf clubs and associations, strategic budget allocation. You also have the sales plan. Okay, so at Golf Driving Range, our sales plan focuses on converting interested prospects into paying customers. Look at that. It's like somebody that's super professional did this business plan, and you didn't really have to, think about everything that you will need to include on that one. So it is all set. You just have to review it, and if you download it using DocX, you can edit whatever it is that you would like to edit, but it is very minimal already. If you are going to do this manually, guys, believe it or not, it's going to take you days or might even take you weeks if you are new to doing business plans like this. But this one took me little less than 60 seconds and it's so amazing. All right, you guys need to check this one out. And guys, this is the business resources that they have. Okay, so they have Figma, the Buddy Punch, Doula, Fiverr, Luca. They have a lot here and you guys could go ahead and check this one out. You have the Education Center, which is all set for you to use if you have any questions or anything like that. They also have an affiliate marketing. Guys, this is very, very easy to sell to your friends that also are doing this. And you could even create business plans for other companies or anything like that. And it doesn't take a lot of effort to do that, right? So you have related articles here as well. And guys, they have their social media platforms at the bottom of the page. You guys can go ahead and check them out. Include that in your own research, but guys, this is something that you do not want to miss. This is a jewel that is there for you to utilize. And guys, stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful for you. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.